This is question number 4, MCQ paper 2011 error paper. Relevant for inventory. It has given draft income statement of the entity for the year end 31st March 20. So the profit. It has given 10,000 in the draft income statement. And following information related to item which cost of 2,000 included in the inventory as at 31st March 20. Given cost value 2,000. And expire date is given. Expire date, it is given 30th April 2020. Think about expire date of accounting period 31st March 20 and 50% of these item. 50% of these item. Think about 2,000 inventory available, 50% have been subsequently sold rupees 1,000 before expire date by incurring selling expense 200. And there is no sales value for the balance item. Think about cost and net realizable value. There's what for the value of above inventory item as at 31st March 20 and profit for the year respectively after considering above information. This one important. It has given assume that financial statement have not been authorized for issue. Think about events after the reporting period also. They ask correct inventory value as well as correct net profit. It has given total cost value of inventory equal to 2 million. Expire date think about and 50% of these item. 50% of these item have been subsequently sold. 50% mean 2,000 into 50% cost value. Prepare work in values in 1,000. Cost value 2,000 of inventory to 1,000, 2 million. And given 50% of this item, 50% mean half. Therefore, half equal 1 million. Rupees values in 1,000, 1,000. It has given estimate selling price and selling expense is given. Therefore, NRV, net realizable value equal estimate selling price minus estimate selling expense. It means 1,000 minus 200. Therefore, it NRV equal 800. Think about 50% of this item subsequently sold. 50% equal, cost value equal 100, it NRV equal 800. How to calculate estimate selling price minus estimate selling expense? And there is no sales value for the balance item. Balance item also, balance part also 50% equal 1,000. There is no sales value. There is no sales value. Therefore, here NRV equals 0. Then think about total cost value and total NRV. Total cost value and total NRV. Total cost value equal 2,000 and total NRV equal 800. Now think about stock written off also available. This is the total cost value. This is the total NRV. Financial position should be included as inventory low amounts based on prudency concepts. Therefore, low amount equal 800. Therefore, as inventory, financial position should be included 800,000. And stock written off, if NRV lower than the cost value, think about cost value equal 2 million minus low amount equal 800. Therefore, differential will equal differential 1,200. That is stock written off. They ask correct net profit also. It has given profit only calculate value equal 10 million and stock written off should be deduct. Therefore, correct net profit equal 10 million minus stock written off equal 1.2 million. Therefore, correct net profit equal 8,800. They ask correct inventory value equal 800 and correct net profit equal 8,800. Think about prudence concepts and think about stock written off. Think about events after the reporting period. Financial statements have not yet been authorized for issue. Expire date is given 30th April 2020. This is cost value of inventory, but think about 50% of these items have been sold subsequently. This is expected selling price minus expected selling expense. That is a net realizable value. Therefore, here answer is 1. Therefore, answer is 1.